Hey friends! This week absolutely flew by, but I'm going to bring it back to center with my happy planner. And I'm going to be using the Tulip Fields by Coffee Monsterz Co. And y'all, this is pastel sticker heaven. All right, I've got my iced tea and I'm ready to go. So this is going to be part one of my weekly spread for May 26th to June 1st. And we're just going to do the spread. I thought I'd show you the sticker kit. Isn't this cute? It's the Coffee Monsterz Co.'s Tulip Fields. And I just have to show you this up close. Isn't that adorable? So that's going in. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so let's just put down the date covers first. And you know, this week had everything from an ER visit, to Kung Fu Panda. We had strawberry pie this week, and some real sweet moments in between. And I'm going to share all of that. We had another graduation party. So anyway, I will share that in part two. This part is just getting the layout down and making things look really cute for ourselves. Now these are Coffee Monsterz Co. general day layouts, and they're actually for Hobonichi Cousin, but it works. You can see this works perfectly for my vertical planner. So let's just get this down real quick. All right, so I'm gonna let you see how I'm laying this out. And aren't these cute? I just love these little the day stickers. I keep calling them date. I think they're supposed to be called date covers. And I need to start using the proper term. Let's see if we can get this done pretty quickly. I hope this will be a quickish video, and then we can spend some real time laying things out in the other video. Okay, so let's get to these. We're going to do the washies here. These cute. I love this stuff. The little boots, the rain boots are just adorable on this. And I love the pastel colors. I'm a big fan, as you could tell from the intro, of icy pastels. And so this just plays right into my liking, right? Okay, so this, because this isn't long enough, here's what we're going to do. We're going to put it to one side, and then we'll put the weekend sticker on there, which I know I have. Here it is. Isn't this cute with the tulips? This reminds me of when we went to Norway. We did a cruise last year, and I know I've mentioned it before. We went to Norway. We were just there for a couple of days. It was fun, and I want to go back, but we just haven't gotten back there yet. How about you? Do you guys have any travel plans this summer? If you have some, put them down in the comments. I'd love to know where my subscribers and my new subscribers are going this year. Sounds fun. We don't have anything big planned. You know, we've got a couple of small trips, you know, kind of weekendy deals so far, and that's, you know, that's about it. So, say la vie. All right, I'm gonna put this here. I think that's adorable. And that's gonna look cute there. This is the boot. Isn't this cute? I couldn't remember if I had gotten it. Let me try this. Sometimes these stickers are very hard to get apart. In my last video, I had made some stickers on the Cricut, and I ended up having to stop the video totally and getting the sticker apart. So I don't think I'll have to on this one. Let's see. Oops. Maybe. There we go. Okay, I got it. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Let's take this off. Isn't this cute? The little rain boot. I just love it. It's the most adorable little thing. It's going to fit right here really nicely, I think. And then gonna do some washi. Now look at this. This is Hubman Chubgirl washi that I got with the Cappy spring set. Isn't that, but it goes perfectly with this. But Polo, it dropped on the ground and I found it in the family room. Polo had taken it so you can see the little marks on here. He didn't get too much. He didn't get too far around it, but he is so sneaky. He just sort of, you know, just sort of quietly walks around. You can hear him with his little jingle jangle sometimes. But anyway. Okay, now what in the world? Here we go. All right, let's see if I can get this to come off, maybe. Oh, that's not right. Maybe it goes this way. Must go this way. All right, so let's cut a nice piece off here, and then we'll redo that. There's a little sleepy thing. Okay, there we go. Now, I thought this would look good up here to divide the page. I'll do this with my thing, and then we'll put one down here. Let's do it down here. Oops, too far, Birg. All right, now this gets the happy moment sticker, so we can remember our happy moments for this week, which we do like to find those, don't we? And then this is this week. Put this week up here. That's sweet. This looks so cute. Just turning out cute. And then we'll do a gratitude here. So let's do, I guess we'll do it in like maybe this. Wouldn't that look cute? Okay, so let me find my favorite pen. This is my rifle pen. And I'm gonna do grateful. I am grateful for. Okay, there we go. That turned out cute, didn't it? Okay, there we go. And let's do some colors here. Does that work? Yeah, that would work. Or do we want to do a light pink? Maybe, let's see. Let's do the pink for a little contrast. What do you say? So we're gonna put in here little lines, just little ones. It's gonna help. Oh, my planner's kind of tilted a little bit. That's okay. I can get this done easily. There we go. And then this is gonna be like, we'll just put this on the stripes that are already there. Makes it easy, doesn't it? So see how that adds to this? And then let's do one. Let's do a box. Okay. And we can draw on the box. Now, let's do little smiles. I thought that would be cute. They kind of look like U's, but we'll know what they are, right? Okay, now, all that, and then we can do, I think that's too long, isn't it? Yeah, okay, so we're fine with this. All right, now, let's get our washi tapes down. Washi here. And let's move all this, sorry. And washi here. I don't know that I've done one of these where I do the washi all the way across in 2 sections. I think that'll help delineate this week. a stamp there, sticker there. Okay, we're almost ready. All right, so you got any sticker sets you're wanting to use this week? You can put those down in the comments below. All right, let's put some of these things. Now I'm gonna put this, I think, right in the center of this one. Oops, there we go. And let's put them both on there so then I can figure out where to put them. So if I put this right here, right there. I love this double spreaded one. It's so, so cute. And it makes it nice. There we go. Isn't that cute? That's adorable. Oh my goodness. These are just so cute. Makes you want to walk out in there, doesn't it? Okay. Now I just think this balloon is very, very adorable. This is going to be good right here. Okay. And then let's do a to-do list. Let's see. Let's do this one. Since it was Memorial Day. So we'll be celebrating, right? Okay, now maybe one down here. Isn't that cute with the writing? Put that here. And then one right up there, I think. Okay, and then these other two can go in the areas. Let me show you. Isn't that cute? What do we think of that? Okay, now, I could put one here and then one here so that we can use these for to-dos if we want to, and put things on there, because I had a couple little to-dos this past week. Okay. This one. And then we know we had work at least on one of these. So let's do one of these here. Okay. All right, and we'll put today. Let's hold off on that. I'm going to wait on these until we actually do our planning. Let's see if there's anything else I want to put down. These are adorable. All right, I said I need to put something here. What do you say about this little guy? Since we don't see this little one right here. And then, where shall we put our little gal? We're gonna wait, I think. Let's put her down here, maybe? Or should we put a boot down here? What do you think? Or maybe the hot air balloon? Let's see. I think we'll do the flowers. That'll be cute, and we haven't seen that yet, right? Look, the little guy's in the fruit, in the flowers. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. All right, let's get it so it's on the page. There we go. All right, so what do you think? I think this looks good. I think we're ready to plan. And we've got all of these little things we're going to be able to use. It's going to look good this week, I think. Hey y'all, this week I'm going to be using the Tulip Fields by Monster Company Co. And I'm going to be using the Tulip Fields sticker kit by Monster Company Co. And I'm going to be using the Tulip Fields kit from Monster Company Co. The Tulip Fields sticker kit by Monster Company Co. This week flew by. Hey, planners, come on, let's go see it. Oops, come on, let's go see it.